Hello everyone. Today we are at IKEA Thailand. This is a Scandinavian chain selling ready to assemble furniture plus housewares in a warehouse like space. It's a very unique place. I think it's very famous all around the world. In Thailand it is in a place called Bangkok, and they have this facilities like products and online shopping and also meals. Right now today we are here to take our lunch, so we want to show you how they provide the lunch in a buffet system, but a little bit unique. One of my favorite places. As you can see, the items are displayed. These are water and juices and sodas, and here comes the main meal. They have varieties of plates, different plates, and we have to choose among them. It's ready-made, and right now we are choosing what we want to have for lunch. There we choose what we want, and as you can see, they are helping us with the items that we wished to have. Okay, let's go now. Here we have some spring rolls and some soup here. This is mushroom soup. And next we have to go to the cashier to pay. We got everything we wanted, and there are more choices if you like, but this is enough for now. And even this much we took because we wanted to show you most of the varieties. And there you go, we are going to the cashier. We will pay here, and it's very impressive. These cashier people, they know by heart the prices. Maybe just looking at the dishes, they know the prices, and they just have to pick the numbers or something like that. And there you go, these are the juices which we can have, and the tea also. Okay, we are ready for the lunch. This is vegetable meatballs actually. And this is rice and curries. Okay, we had a nice lunch. We are going, after keeping our plates and cups at the proper shelves for washing. That's how they have arranged it. Okay, thank you, and see you again with another video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.